sa garden ko. Kasi gagawa kami ng video para ilagay namin sa YouTube channel of Sherlita Alviso. Please watching and subscribe. Atang. And then look all my plant. This is the gardenia. Gardenia for Lebanon, the name of gardenia. And ano pangalan nga ito, Neng? Nakalimutan ko na. This one ay ito yung money tree for only Lebanon. I'm going to
I-ano mo rin, i-ano mo yung YouTube channel mo.
Okay. Baden.
Makulit kayo siya.
Tapos ito naman yung tingnan ninyo yung mga flower namin. Ang ganda.
Ito yung mga flower niyang alaga niya everyday. And over there, it's a garage for the motor.
Okay na. Tapos mayroon pa ditong meron pa ditong mga cactus another.
There is a lot of kind of cactus.
But the small cactus I put here together. Then the big one is andoon sa kabilang. Ala, nag-ano na ay kailangan. I will put water name. Okay.
And over there, this is the garage for the motor. It's very expensive. We cannot see for now.
And this one, when the summer comes, kung ngayon kay winter, so we put cover each one. Pag summer, dito kami nakaupo.
Yeah, we can make vlog
Dito
on
kami
summer.
nakaupo, nakakain, tapos mag-barbecue. Yan ang barbecue. Kaso lang ngayon is
Interviewin ko sana si Lolo.
cold. Wag na. Kay ang corona, sabihin ng ganyan. This one is stable for hair.
Panggit na.
Sometimes, I talk English. Okay? It's okay. Mali. And then,
Half English, half Tagalog.
Bisaya, no? Because they cannot understand the Tagalog if I talk Bisaya. Masbot. And
Masbot.
then, I'm going to put water now. Stay
Yeah, we can watch how she gonna put water in her plants here in the garden. And also over there is a big swimming pool, but the water there already take out. And over there is a playground for the children. And this is the water now. It's open.
This one is the ginger loya. Halika na. Nagtanim din ako ng loya.
Ito yung mga bago niyang seedlings ngayon. And this is a lot of kinds of cockroach.
Cactus.
Ay, cactus. I'm sorry. Paano na to i-edit?
Hayaan mo na rin.
Cactus and cockroach is the same.
It's not the same. It's
Cockroach,
different.
cactus.
Cockroach is the one who walk in the...
Hala, paano na to ma-edit? Paano ka ma-edit?
Hindi ko marunong. Hayaan mo na. Patay mo na mag